In this video we'll be diving into a particular topic in biology termed nervous system. But before we go into this topic, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Welcome back. Today we'll be discussing nervous system. What is a nervous system? Nervous system is made up of the central nervous system, CNS, and the peripheral nervous system, PNS. The central nervous system consists of the brain and the spinal cord. The peripheral nervous system consists of the somatic and autonomic nervous system. So let's take a look at the central nervous system. As I've said that the CNS consists of the brain and spinal cord. Let's take a look at the brain and its function. The brain consists of numerous brain cells and it is protected by the cranium of the skull. It is divided into three main sections, namely, forebrain, hindbrain and midbrain. Now the forebrain. Forebrain is made up of two parts. These are cerebrum and olfactory lobes and two minor parts which are called thalami and hypothalami. As for cerebrum, it is the largest part of the brain and weighs about 1.8 kilograms of the body. It consists of the left and right cerebellar hemispheres. The cerebellar hemispheres are partially separated from each other by the median fissure and are protected by a band of fibers known as corpus callosum. Each of these cerebellar hemispheres is divided into four lobes, namely, frontal, parietal, temporal and occipital lobes. The cerebrum is thrown into folds which provides a large surface area. The outer part of the cerebrum is the cerebral cortex. Now to the functions of cerebrum. Cerebrum is the seat of intelligence, consciousness, memory and voluntary actions. Hypothalamus. It is found just below the thalami and it is the main coordinating and control center for the autonomic nervous system. Its functions are: 1. Regulation of body temperature. 2. It controls the secretion of hormones from the pituitary gland. 3. It also controls sleep and alertness. Let's take a look at the midbrain. Midbrain consists of small part of the brain. It consists of the lobes, the pineal body and pituitary gland. It also connects the forebrain to the hindbrain for transmission of impulses. Now to the hindbrain. The hindbrain together with the midbrain controls most of the body's automatic and voluntary actions. It consists of the pons varolii, the cerebellum and the medulla oblongata. Now, cerebellum. Cerebellum is a thick and convoluted portion of the hindbrain. It controls posture and body balance. It also receives impulses from auditory organs, i.e. semicircular canals. As for medulla oblongata is the posterior end of the brain that continues into the spinal cord. It controls the constriction and dilation of blood vessels, thereby regulates blood pressure. In our next episode we'll be discussing spinal cord. If you have any questions concerning this class, please drop your questions in the comment box. Thank you.